There are different types of exams that you will sit in the UK. They are probably very different from your high school. Well, the first type of exam is the one that we all know, which is written exam. Probably had various written tests at your high school, and it is quite similar at university, just the topic of course are more deepened or larger. In the written exam you go into a room and you answer to some question. It could be multiple choice or open questions, and you have 2 hour time. Usually most of written exams are a closed book exam, so you cannot have any book with you and it's just you and your memory. However, there are other type of exams where you can have a book or just a page of notes that you can use for your exam. Another type of assessment are the group presentation. So it's a more of an oral assessment where you with your group present a topic. You usually have a PowerPoint presentation and you stand in front of your class and you talk about the topic requested. Other group assessment includes the group debate. So you're divided within the class in various groups and you start debating on a certain topic. I remember from my experience, my first assessment was a group debate. I had to represent Apple and to convince the lecturer, who were also the investors, why they should invest in a new Apple product. For more practical courses such as sciences, biology, chemistry, there are also laboratories assessments. So very practical ways to assess your knowledge, and the same goes with the medical degrees and profession, where they need to check also your practical abilities to do your work. Other type of assessment include essay and report. Most of university courses are mainly focused and mainly based on essays and report, which are short or longer argumentative tests where you have an argument and you try to prove it throughout the test by giving not your point of view, but the point of view of researcher on the topic, and looking at it also from a critical point of view. Of course, you are going to write a dissertation for your master, and for the undergraduate it can also be that you will be asked to write a dissertation or a project, and that's a longer assessment, usually from 8,000 to 10,000 words. If you want to know more about the extracurricular activities offered by university, click on this video.